I've got my cousin coming for a spot of light lunch, and we're doing a presentation of some finger sandwiches and of course scones or scones to follow. So make your sandwiches and put them in the fridge wrapped in cling film just for half an hour. You must have a serrated knife, that's really important. And of course you have clean paws. And that's what we do. We wash our hands a lot, and that is better than wearing gloves. Don't get me involved in that debate. I've had 200,000 people on TikTok debating with me, and we got microbiologists involved. Carry on, Roger. So he's using the first one as the template.
Even if it's not square,
I see.
Make it square.
Yes.
You turn it square.
And the sawing action prevents filling A going through to filling B. People get very worried about that. Also, you can eat these scraps later, or we've done a TikTok on how to turn them into a savoury baked souffle. So perfection's not required, but you'll get the gist. Last one.
What perfection's not required?
Well, you've left a bit of crust on there. So clean hands, serrated knife, sawing action. Nibble these later. Look, that will go well with a cup of tea. People get bothered by the little details there, Roger. Oh, his face is a picture.
It covers up.
All right, so this time we're doing finger sandwiches. You can do triangles. So delicate sarnies need the crusts to come off. Oh, Brits say sarnies, Americans say sammies. Sawing, not pressing, clean hands. And always think in advance about something for garnish. It could be strawberries, radishes, cucumber. This happens to be tomatoes and rosemary from our garden. There we are. We've got 3 different fillings today. We've got cheddar and pickle, tuna and sweet corn, egg mayonnaise with cress. So over they go. Can you see?
Cheat.
What's the matter?
Cheated.
Why?
Lift it up.
We've got white bread, brown bread, white bread, brown bread.
Crusts.
Little bit of crust.
Go on.
My cousin went back. Oh, hidden. So it's all in the presentation. It's just bread, isn't it, with fillings? But you can make it look $1 million. I think so. We've got cake stands and all sorts, and you could even use those, but this is just fine. Over it goes. 1 spare, chef's perk. I think, unless you cut it in half and put it on the top. Garnish. Tomatoing. It's not big enough tomato to do fancy water lilies or anything. Okay. That's pretty. You're doing a bit more. I like it. And then, of course, you can't leave them uncovered because the heat will get to them. So we will be wrapping these with a covering over and keeping them cool until cousin Robert arrives. Hurrah! Come on, Robert, I'm peckish.